హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ టు డైలీ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ అండ్ జాబ్ అలర్ట్స్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇది ఆర్కే ట్యూటోరియల్ తరపున క్రియేట్ చేయబడిన రెండో ఛానల్. ఈ ఛానల్లో డైలీ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్, జాబ్ అలర్ట్స్, ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ అలాగే సెంట్రల్ లెవెల్లో కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళ కోసం ప్రీవియస్ పేపర్స్, మోడల్ పేపర్స్ అందించడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు క్లాస్లో రైల్వే రిక్రూట్మెంట్ బోర్డ్ RRB NTPCలో రిలీజ్ చేసినటువంటి గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ అండ్ నాన్ గ్రాడ్యుయేటెడ్ పోస్టులకు సంబంధించి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళ కోసం ప్రాక్టీస్ బిట్స్ అన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అంటే మ్యాథ్స్, జనరల్ అవేర్నెస్, జనరల్ సైన్స్, జియోగ్రఫీ, హిస్టరీ అండ్ అలాగే జనరల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ అండ్ రీజనింగ్, ఈ యొక్క అన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్ కవర్ చేసి మీకు ప్రాక్టీస్ బిట్స్ అనేది అందించడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ యొక్క బిట్స్కి సంబంధించిన PDFs మీకు కావాలనుకుంటే మా యొక్క వెబ్సైట్ www.shineindiarktutorial.com అనే వెబ్సైట్ నుండి డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ముందుగా మ్యాథ్స్కి సంబంధించిన బిట్స్ చూద్దాం. ఇఫ్ n is odd, then 11 to the power of n plus 1 is divisible by 11 plus 1. Answer is option A, 11 plus 1. Next question. X and y are positive integers and x is less than y if x square plus y square equals to 2 times 5 and xy equals to 2 times 2. Then x by y will be equals to how much? Answer is option C, 1 by 2. Once again I am repeating question. X and y are positive integers and x is less than y if x square plus y square equals to 2 times 5 and xy equals to 2 times 2. Then x by y will equals to how much? Answer is option C, 1 by 2. Next question. Find unit digit in 515 to the power of 31 plus 515 to the power of 90. Answer is option A, 0. Next question. The number 899 is? Answer is option B, a number with 4 factors. Next. The numerator of a fraction is multiple of 2 numbers. One of the number is greater than the other by 2. The greater number is smaller than the denominator by 1. If the denominator is given as 5 plus C of C is a constant, then the minimum value of the fraction is how much? Answer is option C, minus 1 by 2. Next, reasoning. Reasoning సంబంధించిన బిట్స్ చూద్దాం. In each of the following questions, there is a certain relationship between two given words on one side of and one word is given on another side of, while another word is to be found from the given alternatives having the same relation with this word as the words of the given pair bear. Choose the correct alternatives. First one, aeroplane, couple word is cockpit. In the same way, train, couple word is what? Answer is option D, engine. Next, amnesia, couple word is memory. In the same way, paralysis, couple word is what? Answer is option A, movement. Next question. Meningitis, couple word is brain. In the same way, cirrhosis, couple word is what? Answer is option C, liver. Next question. Book, couple word is publisher. In the same way, film, couple word is what? Answer is option A, producer. Next question. Forecast, couple word is future. In the same way, regret, couple word is what? Answer is option C, past. Next, general awareness. History నుండి బిట్స్ చూద్దాం. which of the following is not a site of Neolithic culture of India? Answer is option A, Nagpur. Next question. The Bronze Age is so called because. Answer is option A, bronze was the main metal used. Next question. Which of the given below features is not applicable to the Indus sites? Answer is option D. Artifacts of royal trappings were identified. Next question. The period between 2500 to 1800 BC is assigned for the Indus Valley civilization on what basis? Answer is option D, on the basis of radiocarbon dating. Next question. The Indus Valley civilization was spread at. Answer is option A, Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Balochistan. Next question. Next, general science నుండి బిట్స్ చూద్దాం. For which diode is used? Answer is option D, purification. Next question. Who among the following developed the technology of underground nuclear explosion? Answer is option A, Dr. Hon J. Bhabha. Next, which among the following types of coal produces most heat per unit? Answer is option C, anthracite. Option C, anthracite. Next, which among the following waves is used for communication by artificial satellites? Answer is option A, microwaves. Next question. What is the found in frequency modulation? Answer is option A, fixed frequency. Next, reasoning bits part 2 చూద్దాం. డైరెక్షన్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. In each of the following questions, there is a certain relationship between the two given words on one side of and one side of word is given on another side, while another word is to be found from the given alternatives having the same relation with this word as words of the given pair bear. Choose the correct alternatives. Question is, influenza couple word is virus. In the same way, typhoid couple word is what? Answer is bacteria. Typhoid couple word is bacteria. Option D. Next question. Haemoglobin couple word is iron. In the same way, chlorophyll couple word is option B, magnesium. Next, radio couple word is listener. In the same way, film couple word is option C, viewer. Film, viewer. Next, milk couple word is emulsion. In the same way, butter couple word is what? Answer is option D, gel. Next, spider couple word is insect. In the same way, crocodile couple word is option A, reptile. Next, mathematics bits అనేది part 2 చూద్దాం. First, find the number which when multiplied by 13 is increased by 180. Answer is option B, 15. Next question. Find the number of divisors of 10800. Find the number of divisors of 10,800. Answer is option B, 60. Next question. The sum of the digits in a 2-digit number is 5. If 9 is subtracted from the number, the result is the number with the digits reserved. The number is what? Answer is option A, 32. Next question. 3 consecutive numbers such that twice the first, 3 times the second and 4 times the third together make 182. The numbers in question are, answer is option C, 19 and 20 and 21. Next question. Find the product of place value and face value of 5 in 65,231. Answer is option B, 25,000. Next, general science bits. Chudam part 2. When the speed of car is doubled, then what will be the braking force of the car to stop it in the same distance? Answer is option A, 4 times. Next question. The dimension of which of the following is the same as that of impulse? Answer is option B, momentum. Next question. Which among the following is the fundamental quantity? Answer is option B, time. Next question. If the diameter of a capillary is doubled, then the rise of water in it will be? Answer is option B, half. Next. Why the needle of iron swims on water surface when it is kept gently? Answer is option C, due to surface tension. Next, general awareness bits part, geography part 2. Which district of Rajasthan has the national average density as per census 2001? Answer is option A, Kota. Next, which year is called demographic divide in the population study of India? Answer is option A. Answer is option A, 1921. Next, match list 1 period of population growth with list 2 type of growth and select the correct answer from the codes given below the lists. Before 1921 list 1, list 2 వచ్చేసి number 3 stagnant growth rate. Before 1921 number 3 stagnant growth rate. Next, option B 1921 to 1951. The matching is option 1 steady growth rate. Next, 1951 to 1981. Matching word is option 4 rapid growth rate. Next, after 1981 declining growth rate. So option A is the correct answer. Next, which decade had highest annual growth rate in Indian population? Answer is option B 1971 to 81. Next, which of the following states witnessed the highest growth of urban population? Answer is option C Arunachal Pradesh. So friends, ఇది ఈరోజు ఆర్ఆర్బి ఇటీవల రిలీజ్ చేసినటువంటి గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ అండ్ నాన్ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ పోస్టులకు సంబంధించిన సిలబస్ వాటి యొక్క ప్రాక్టీస్ బిట్స్ అనేది ఇప్పుడు మీకు అందించడం జరిగింది. వీటి యొక్క పీడిఎఫ్స్ కనుక మీకు కావాలనుకుంటే మా యొక్క వెబ్సైట్ www.shineindiaarktutorial.com అనే వెబ్సైట్ నుండి డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. నా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. కొత్తగా నా ఛానల్ చూస్తున్న వాళ్ళు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేసినట్లయితే నా వీడియోలని మీరు అప్డేటెడ్గా నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో పొందుకోవచ్చు. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే. బాయ్.